look, it has markers. Georgia, Nevada, Missouri, North Dakota. Okay, y'all, I'm still not getting it. Hi, and welcome to Traveling Marlins.
In this episode, we're going to show you a couple of the things we went and did while we were in Cañon City, Colorado. Skyline Trail and the Tunnel Trail.
Yes.
The Skyline Drive, our son told us about it when he was doing geology work up there during his college days. And after we got on Skyline Drive, we called him and said, well, why didn't you tell us not to drive the motorhome up there? And he
was like, no!
He about freaked out. First of all, you couldn't get a motorhome up there.
No.
You're literally on the top of a little crest of a mountain like this, and you're just driving down it. A drop-off.
And I learned it's called a Hogback or Hogback Ridge.
But it was fun, and then the bike trail was the tunnel trail.
Yes, that was really neat. If we remember the last episode, I talked about the Alta Vista Trail where we saw the Royal Gorge, and it was beautiful, fantastic trail. Well, this trail, the tunnel trail, was pretty spectacular as well, and it's another place where you can see the Royal Gorge. Beautiful sights, so you're going to see these coming up.
Okay, let's get with it.
Skyline Drive was built in 1905 by 60 inmates from the local prison in Cañon City. According to local history, the inmates received 10 days off their sentence for every 30 days worked on the road. Or, in other words, for every 1 day of labor, they were given 10 days off their sentence. Originally, for horses, bicycling, and walking, automobiles were prohibited until 1907 because they scared the horses. Improvements to Skyline Drive started happening in the 1920s. A pavilion was built and leased out with electricity provided by the city. The rock gate that sits on the entrance was built in 1932 by inmate labor. The Arch Rock Gate consists of rocks from every state in the Union with a marble marker beside each rock with its state name. Oh, look, it has markers. Georgia, Nevada, Missouri, North Dakota. Now we gotta find Texas.
Wisconsin.
Okay. Oh, come on. We gotta be front and center somewhere.
Where's Texas?
Where are we? Alabama, Tennessee, Rhode Island, I think, or something.
Texas. Oh, man, we got a
Surely that's not North Carolina.
Looks like that's ours.
Vermont. Are there any up on the top? No. Oh.
That sucks.
Surely. There's not any here. Oh, look. Here, wait. There's more. You did? Yay! Okay, now we got two. Skyline Drive is a single-lane, one-way asphalt road that is 2.6 miles long and sits on the backbone of a hogback. A hogback, or hog's back, is a long, narrow ridge or a series of hills with a narrow crest and steep slopes of nearly equal inclination on both sides. There is no turning around or going back if you change your mind. The narrow roadway makes it even more terrifying since there are no guardrails or safety fences separating you from the steep cliff drop-offs. If you don't like heights, you may not like driving on Skyline Drive. But if you're somewhat of a daredevil, love a spectacular view, and want to see some dinosaur tracks, you will enjoy this one-of-a-kind experience.
Up here.
Where? I don't see them.
Right here. That orange, that's the toes. Right here, that's the toe, because the dirt fell away from us. What? Right
I
here.
guess I'm dumb.
Yeah, right here.
Look at these.
You see that's the footprint and that's the toes coming out. That's where he stepped on it, and then the dirt fell away from it. His foot was on top of that.
There's a whole print right here.
This one you can see the toes though.
Yeah.
Oh, right over here too.
Okay, y'all, I'm still not getting it.
When they do the impression, normally you see it from the top, but what's happened is the shelf has broken off underneath,
pressed
but
the mud
it's
down.
And
it's
that's-
left the bubble on
and
the
that's his foot.
underside.
Oh, look at that. Now we know why it's called Tunnel Trail. Cañon City has a very special trail that's ideal for families, wildlife viewing, and taking in the gorgeous Royal Gorge scenery. Located 1 mile from downtown, Tunnel Trail is a flat 2-mile stroll along an old railroad bed that offers a bird's eye view of the Arkansas River and spectacular views of the surrounding canyon. Just downstream from the Royal Gorge, this crushed gravel trail travels through 3 granite blasted tunnels and is perfect for walkers, runners, and bikers. The rock surrounding the trail is 1.7 billion, with a B, years old, contains ribbons of pink and white granite, and was once 11 miles beneath the earth, which accounts for its smooth surface. You can take Cascade Trail, which is a couple of 100 yards from the end of the tunnel trail. It is notably more difficult, but you will be rewarded with some awesome views and a great sense of accomplishment no matter how far you take it. At Tunnel Trail, or Tunnel Drive if you want to call it that, you can get a taste of the Royal Gorge without the crowds. With 1 mile markers every quarter mile, frequent benches, and 0 inclines, it's ideal for people of all abilities and tastes. Dogs are welcome but must be on a leash. Beautiful ride. And yes, Dee, I'm going to use the word gorgeous. It's a Tuesday morning. The temperature is, I can see it right now, I'm going to guess in the 80s. It is nice. Now, I will have to say, there is a huge hill down by the trailhead, and I walked my bike up it. But after that, it's not bad at all. I love these little bridges. Good morning. enjoy Cañon City. And our Colorado playlist is growing. And I will put a link to it at the end of this video, as well as our last episode about Cañon City.
And in the next episode, we'll show you the last thing we did in Cañon City, which was going to a prison there, which has been featured in a number of movies. Pretty neat deal to go see. And then you'll join us on our trip over to Pagosa Springs, where we go visit our friends that own Pagosa Pines RV Park. And we were there for a couple of weeks and had a really great time with them before coming back towards the Texas area when we're headed home.
Yep.
So
the best way to stay in the loop is to subscribe and to hit that black bell so you'll be notified when we drop video. Say something in the comments. We love visiting with you, and I want to especially thank those who have sent prayers and well wishes, and just dearly, dearly appreciate all of your support. So we appreciate it. And as always, have the best day
ever.
Yes.
Ever.
All right. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, camera's right there. Okay. Hi, and welcome to Traveling Marlins. What are you doing?
I'm supposed to be talking here.
Okay, wait, let's start over. Okay. Hi, and welcome to Traveling Marlins.
She's not Gail. I'm not Mark. That's what we've been saying. That's what I was waiting for. I'm Gail. Hi, I'm Gail.
Oh.
You're going to do it on the screen.
No, it's on the screen.
I know.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's your turn. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, and welcome to Traveling Marlins.
Hello.
Oh. Hi, and welcome to Traveling Marlins.
Okay.
Wait.
Quit laughing. Okay. In this episode, we're going to share...
Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Let's start over. 1, 2. Yeah. We're happy couple.
We just